Know when to forgive people, but also be wise enough to know that they don't always need to play an active role in your life after that. The Almighty might send you signs how to handle such people. If He's telling you to let them go, stop holding on to them. Read His signs. Don't expect that apology. You're going to be disappointed because it may never come. Forgive them anyway. Remember, there'll always be those who are unwilling to accept that they did something wrong. It takes maturity to admit your mistakes. So move on for you, not them. Moving on may be the best thing at times. It doesn't mean you're forgetting, it simply means you choose happiness over hurt. When you forgive someone, it doesn't give them a free pass. It gives you a free pass to move on. Be kind to yourself. Don't compromise your peace of mind. Don't lose focus when you're being tested. If you let your guard down and let Satan mess with your mind, you're going to lose the plot and end up miserable. Remember, where you choose to focus is where your life will head. Keep the Almighty in sight always. You'll emerge the winner. Take care of your thoughts. The Almighty has given us the capacity to go through tough trials and challenges. It's when you crowd your mind with irrational thoughts and imagined battles that life becomes a burden. Stay focused and seek your strength from Him. He knows your struggle. Pray for others. Pray when you feel hopeless. Pray when you feel hopeful. Pray under all circumstances. Prayer is powerful. Pray and let the Almighty do the rest. He's omnipotent. He knows. He hears. He sees. He cares. You're never alone. He's always there for you. Remember to thank the Almighty daily for every new day He allows us to face. At times we forget that even another breath of fresh air is a blessing. Forgive us for taking things for granted. May we always be mindful of our blessings and be reminded to count them every day. Are you struggling in life, with things spiraling out of control? A struggle is an act of worship. The Almighty loves those who surrender completely to Him. There's wisdom in your trials and tribulations. Don't scoff at them. Learn from them. Use them to draw closer to Him. When the Almighty has made you wait for a long while, be prepared for His abundant blessings. When He finally opens that door meant for you, no one can shut it. That's a fact. Don't even try. Your job is to walk through it with utmost confidence, not arrogance. Be careful of the company you keep. When you surround yourself with people who constantly blame others, criticize, gossip, backbite and complain about everything and everyone, you're slowly poisoning your mind and your life with their fears, doubts, and negativity. Break the cycle.